Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is CIARA and I do videos on finance and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mortgage loan officer and YouTuber, and I've helped thousands of people to buy homes and build wealth, so I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you will build wealth also. Alright, I want to talk about some things that nobody's really talking about and I haven't really talked about in previous videos. So if you are somebody who wants to make some extra cash, you've kind of run out of ways to make money this year on the side, definitely stay tuned to this video. Find unclaimed money. In the US alone, there is a total of $49.5 billion unclaimed money and property. And it's estimated that 1 in every 10 people have unclaimed cash somewhere. Now, this can be anything from, say, tax refunds that were sent to the wrong address, even to unclaimed security deposits that people forgot to get back after a hectic move. So all you have to do is go to usa.gov and then choose what kind of unclaimed money you're searching for. Now, if you're looking for unclaimed property or state taxes, the links on the page will direct you to the specific state website, because really each state has its own procedures for retrieving the unclaimed money. Otherwise, just click on the appropriate link and they'll direct you to the respective pages that are going to give you all the information you need. There's sites out there that will also help you find your unclaimed cash for a fee. There's Our Public Records or Unclaimed Records Finder. All you have to do is put in your full name and the state or area that you want to check for the unclaimed cash, and then they're going to take you through a series of questions to whittle down which search results are relevant to you. The benefit of sites like this is that they tend to get your results faster and do most of the searching for you. So whichever method you decide to use, going out and finding unclaimed money is actually a no-brainer. If you want extra cash, all you have to do is just go find what's rightfully yours. Okay. Proofreading. If you have a knack for finding spelling and grammar, proofreading is a great way to make some money online, and it's also a high-paying job that is always in demand. Businesses hire people all the time to review content for grammar and spelling mistakes. And you can earn $20 an hour. You can offer your services as a freelance proofreader on sites like Fiverr and FlexJobs. And this can be done remotely, so you can work anywhere in the world where you have an internet connection. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about it, the website Proofread Anywhere has a free workshop that you can watch to teach you the ropes of how to get into proofreading. Now, if you're looking for a creative way to make money, flipping might just be what you need. Flipping is usually buying items used or vintage and reselling them for a profit. It can be a great way to make some extra cash, and it's perfect for those who love bargain hunting or hunting for treasures. You can usually find items at flea markets and online and then resell for a profit. I have done this with a number of items. I especially love doing this with hot ticket items or limited edition items. I'll buy 1 or 2 or 3 and then resell it. I've done that with Starbucks cups, handbags. There's so many different things you can do. There's all sort of things you can sell. My mom found an authentic Louis Vuitton bag in a flea market one day and it was like $100. So flipping is super easy. Flea Market Flipper is actually an excellent resource for anyone looking to get into flipping, and they offer tips and tricks and a free workshop to teach you how to flip items for profit. Mystery shopping. Mystery shoppers are paid to shop at various stores and report back on their experiences. Assignments typically involve visiting a store, evaluating customer service, dining at a restaurant, or writing a review. While pay varies depending on the assignment, mystery shopping jobs can actually be fun and an easy way to earn cash. Plus, it's a great way to try out new products and experiences for free. Host city tours. If you live in a tourist city, there's a great opportunity to host tours for visitors. Now, these can be niche, like a tour of a famous monument, or activity specific, such as general walking tours, bike, or alcohol tours. Think about what you're knowledgeable about and start to plan the route of your tour. You might need to create a script or a fact sheet to explain areas of your city to attendees and for you to reference. Then you just need to start thinking about how you can get people to join your tour. You can go the organic route of creating your own website and optimizing it for keywords that tourists are searching, so such as walking tours in your city, bike tours in your city, cheap, whatever your city is, tours. Those are all keywords that'll bring you clients. Then you'll arrange a date, time, and meeting place for the tourists who enter or the tourists who join. Easier ways, you can also join platforms like Show Around. With Show Around, you host tours in your cities to make money and friends by entertaining tourists that pass through. Book publishing, and specifically book publishing through a platform called BookBolt. BookBolt is the most comprehensive, low-content book publishing software on the market. You can actually create and scale a book publishing business without writing a single word. Okay, so what are low content books? These are books that require no writing or very little writing by the seller. Think notebooks, journals, planners, sketchbooks, logbooks, coloring books, etc. And these are also the kind of books that buyers use to take notes, write, or draw on. But how does this work? You, the seller, all you have to do is upload the book onto the KDP platform and Amazon will print it. And Amazon will print the book and ship it directly to the buyer once the order is placed. So the buyer is going to receive a physical copy of the book in the mail, and Amazon will pay a royalty to you, the seller. There's no limit on how many books you can upload into Amazon, and it's free to do so. Amazon will charge for the printing and shipping only when the sale is generated, so there's no risk or upfront costs. It can be done from anywhere in the world. There's no experience needed, so you don't need to be an author or a designer, and Amazon takes care of the hard work, like the printing, the shipping, and the customer service. What do you need to do this? You only need two things. One, a free Amazon KDP account, and two, a BookBolt membership. So what's the advantage of using BookBolt versus any other method? The first one is research. BookBolt is actually going to help you research what's going to be most profitable for you. Users are able to find profitable niches and keywords to place their books on Amazon.com ahead of the competition. There's also a studio. Users can create beautiful book covers and interiors with just a few clicks and without any design experience. And the third advantage is training. All members get access to weekly live webinars. Not only are you getting the platform with which to create your book, you're also getting help with research, and you're getting training so that if you need a little bit of help and guidance, you have that also. I just think this is absolutely cool and such a smart and clever way to make some money. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, all you have to do is click the link below. It's in the description box, and then come back and let me know what you created. Answering questions. If you're a professional or an expert, you can get paid to answer questions in your field of expertise. All you have to do is apply, and once your credentials are verified, you can start making money right away. So an expert is someone like a doctor, a lawyer, veterinarian, plumber, mechanic, teacher, even as a mortgage loan officer. Basically, someone with a set of knowledge that the everyday person wouldn't have. The way it works is that users are charged a fee to post questions on sites like justanswer.com. They can either pay per question or pay just a flat rate to ask an unlimited amount of questions. Then you as the expert will browse those questions that relate to your expertise and choose the ones you want to answer. And if your answer is helpful, the user will give you a rating. A consistently higher rating gives you a bigger percentage of the fee that the user is charged. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork also provide some version of this, but I mean, this is a great way to get paid simply just for sharing stuff that you know. And last but not least, this is actually something I have briefly touched on in other videos, but it's so cool I wanted to add it to this one, is being an online juror. According to the US Financial Education Foundation, there's over 40 million lawsuits filed each year and more than 1 million registered lawyers. These lawyers sometimes need practice presenting their case to real people. That's where you come in. Sites like eJury pay people to sit on a virtual jury. All you do is log into eJury's website, you review the facts of the case, and then you submit your verdict. Now, the verdict isn't legally binding. It simply just shows how you would vote if you were on a jury for this case. This helps lawyers decide where their case is weak and how better to present their case when they actually go to court. What's great is you don't need any specialized knowledge to do this. In fact, just like in a real jury, eJury requires that you aren't in the legal field at all. It only requires that you be an adult, you can read and write, and not be under any indictment for any felonies or have any felony convictions on your record. Now, you can do as many or as few cases as you want. If you find that a case is taking too long and you're busy, you are obligated to finish it. By doing this, you can certainly make some extra money to pay the bills or just have some extra spending money. So those are some really creative and unique ways to make money this year. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps me know what content to create more of. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be a part of the Honeybee fam. Hit the bell button so you can get notified when I upload. If you're in need of a real estate agent, check out my home and money link below. Or if you need some loan officer coaching or home buying consultation, you can schedule a coaching call with me by clicking my Calendly link below. I love you guys so much. I love you to the bank and back, and I will see you in my next video.